How to insert curved text on Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to curve text on your Google Slides to make it more attractive. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then let me tell you that curving text in your Google Slides itself is not possible, but I have a workaround for you. Open up a new tab and then search for Curve Text Generator. So tap on the first link and then here you can see that you can work on various shapes, circle, arc or waves as well. So just choose what you want to work on. You can even choose from the various templates. So I want an arc. So I'll tap on it and then you can see the text box. So I'll put in what I want to write. So as you can see that the curved text has been formed. Now you can even change the color, put in effects if you want to. You can increase or decrease the size and the spacing as well. You can make it bold, italic, and then uh, after you're done, just tap on export at the top and then export the standard quality JPG that is free and then hit export. Now it will be saved to your device. Now you just go to your Google Slides. Now just go to the slide where you want to insert the curved text and tap on insert in the ribbon bar. Go to image, tap on upload from computer and then choose what you want to upload and hit open. And just place it anywhere of your choice and that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.